What kind of disconnect do you think we have, or are you seeing?
Well, we have seen a report by Bank of America about the overwhelming bullishness of market participants, especially as we've seen the cyclical stocks do very well here. And also, everyone believes that interest rates are going up. Well, they have gone up, but they still believe they're going to go up further. At the same time, consumer sentiment, when you look at the University of Michigan release last week, was at 6 months lows. And so we have the possibility that the market has been over exuberant and for what's really going to happen, because consumers, 70% of the economy, if they don't spend money, even the money they get from the government, we could have disappointing earnings numbers later in the year.
And what do you think that does to equities, or do you think that Fed put fiscal policy, monetary policy, all the stuff we talk about, Chuck, ultimately is going to keep the markets humming no matter how some of the numbers come in?
And that is certainly the market's expectations, and that's why the market has been up so much over the past year. And all we're saying is that the risk for negative returns, which is what we really focus on, is at high levels, and market participants really need to make sure that they have the proper risk for their portfolios in case the market drops 10, 20% here this spring.
Where are you still seeing value, Chuck?
Well, the healthcare area has really come to forward in our iSector's quantitative models. As you know, healthcare was very much undervalued in the past year or so because of the concern that the Democratic blue sweep would hurt. You know, there's concern about Medicare for all, prescription drug price problems, and the tax situation getting worse for drug companies. But these things doesn't seem to be a focus of the administration or Congress right now. And at the same time, we're going to get through this pandemic, and there's going to be a big increase in the use of the regular drug prices and drug facility and surgery. So, and then of course the country's getting older, all the secular stuff that everyone knows. So we think there's going to be a rebound in healthcare stocks relative to the market in the next 6 months.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.